Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a payment entry for an on-account payment. This is not a payment made against a bill from a vendor. Instead, it's a payment made without any corresponding invoice, which might be for various purposes like bank charges or direct purchases. To begin, navigate to the Pay Money application. You'll see a list of existing entries. Any entry that hasn't been filled with line items or child records yet, essentially transactions with no financial data, can be safely deleted. Now, let's create a new payment entry. The payment number is generated automatically. The date defaults to the current system date. The accounting period is auto-selected based on this date. The default payment mode is bank, though this can be changed as needed. Select the bank account from which the payment is being made. Then choose the entry type, which in this case is an on-account payment, not tied to a bill or invoice. You can assign a cost center to this payment, for example, maintenance department, and optionally enter a reference number and narration. After saving the main payment record, it's time to define who the payment is for and why. We'll now add line items. Bank charges. Let's say the bank deducted 237 Saudi riyals as monthly charges. Select the appropriate expense account and save this line. Direct purchases. Suppose you made a direct purchase using the bank card. Enter the amount, for example, 1,490 Saudi riyals, and describe it as payment for direct or cash purchases. You can continue adding more such entries if required. Once all line items are entered, simply click the Post button. This will finalize and post the transaction to the ledger. And that's it. You've now seen how to handle on-account payments in the system. In another video, we'll show you how to make payments against bills, where we first book the vendor bill and then record the payment against it. Thank you for watching.